morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Simone. And before we get into today's video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe so you can join the family. So today, as you can see, I just did my skincare routine. I just got out the shower. Today I'm going to do a few things with my mom. We're going to look at apartments, probably go out to eat, and I don't know, try to find something to do. But anyway, and let me get out of here because this light is just bad. It's about the same. Anyway, so yeah, it's about 10 a.m. right now, and I'm just getting ready for the day. As y'all can see, I took a shower, did my skincare routine, and now I'm just about to show y'all how I refresh my braids. Like I said, it's been about a little over a week, so you know, it's not looking as fresh as it did, of course. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all what I do to keep my braids looking fresh. So yeah. This angle is so nasty. First thing I'm gonna start off with is getting all this edge controlling gel out of my edges. So you can use shampoo, soap, whatever, but I'm gonna just use this because. All right, so I'm back. I had to delete a lot of stuff off my phone, which is why I need another phone, which is actually why I just need a camera. But anyway, so as I was saying, start by washing all this buildup out of my edges because they starting to turn white and get flaky, and it's just nasty. So this is the closest thing that I reached for because I didn't feel like finding my shampoo. So this is just some Baby Dove body wash. So I'm just going to use that. And I'm not going to use a lot because I'm just doing my edges, so it's about that much. Put it all around my edges and just go in circular motions like you would when you're shampooing your hair. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of water so I can lather it up. So once you get it all lathered up, I'm just gonna take a face towel and then just rinse it out. So now that I have that all rinsed out, I'm not gonna do anything with my edges just yet because I'm gonna do something to the rest of my hair. And it's also a good thing to, I have really like sensitive skin, especially to oils and stuff. So if you have sensitive skin, it's a good thing to keep your edges washed because, you know, you don't want to start breaking out around your hairline because that just look nasty. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the next steps. I'm gonna take this mousse. This is just what I had laying around the house. What is that? Take any mousse that you have laying around the house. I'm just gonna take some of this, and this part doesn't look that bad because I keep it wrapped up, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. So I'm just gonna take some and just put it on my braids just to make the fuzzes lay down. I really don't have that many, but I just want to be extra. So after I do that, I'm going to actually tie my hair back up, and then I'm gonna use a blow dryer to kind of like I'm gonna use my handheld blow dryer to kind of like melt the mousse down. So I'm just gonna tie my hair up real quick. So it's been a few minutes now. I just let my hair sit while I did some other things. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my headscarf off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. This piece of hair, it won't stay down, so whatever. So this next part is optional. I'm just going to re-dip my ends. So I just boiled some water and put it in this cup. Like I said, it's optional, but some of my ends were starting to come unraveled. So I just take it down a little bit, braid it back up, and now I'm just gonna dip it so it seals my ends again. So I have some water that I boiled, and please make sure you have a towel so you don't burn yourself, because I've done that before like an idiot. And also be careful to how far up you are dipping your ends, because this is like, I just boiled this water, so I don't want to dip it all the way up to my natural hair and singe my hair. That would not be good. Take my scarf off, and my edges they got a little messed up, but that's okay. I'm just gonna take some oil, any oil. Disrespectful. Take some oil, and you can use any oil of your choice, but this is one that really works for me. This is by Aunt Jackie's. It's the Frizz Rebel coconut and sweet almond oil. It smells really good. It smells fruity. Now that I'm done with my hair, I know I keep ending up in this hallway, but the best light is right here because it's the window right here. But anyway, so now that I'm done with my hair, I'm just go ahead and get dressed, and then I'll probably see y'all once we're out doing whatever we're gonna do today. So, and my mom is calling me now. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to walk out the house now, but I just wanted to come back and show y'all what I was wearing. Very basic. And I'm probably gonna wear these black shoes right here that I got off of Amazon. So yeah, just basic. And it's hot outside, it's humid, it just rained today, and I'm not trying to look that cute for nobody. Scent for today is this Jimmy Choo. This is, I believe this is called Fever. Yeah, it's Jimmy Choo Fever. I normally don't carry purses, but I'm gonna carry this today. And yeah, so I think we're gonna go out to eat first, and then once we do that, we're gonna go look at these apartments and then see where else we go from there. So I'll see y'all when I get in the car. She's gay. Okay. She can't have
I'm not, but I do have very close people to me that are.
Now, the rose was a little bit dry. Well, except for that one.
We'll get the one on the boat.
I just wanted to come back and tell y'all that we might have to do a little dine and dash.
You better not have. Simone, you better dig in that little purse over there.
I forgot to bring it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Simone.
We gonna have to run out of here.
Okay. Well, I'm going to the restroom first and I'll be back. You may be dipping in the wrong thing again because you said that.
Y'all see what I think she is? I was just playing.
Well, I've done it before and I might have to do it. But see, what I do is go without you to leave you stuck. You're trying to figure out and trying to run out of here. And you know you can't run real fast out of here.
Mama, that's not nice.
No, it's not a not so nice thing to say. It's just that's just what it is. And now I don't believe it, so I'm going to the restroom. Oh man, they're gonna put it way back there.
I think.
Nah, it's right here. You might know it.
I don't like it. It smells like something I don't like. Did you call me a pinhead or a skinhead? Mama. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Why would you spray that? Oh, I like that.
I want to know what it smells like. Now give me your arm.
Y'all, so I am back home. Okay, I'm just gonna all right, so before I was rudely interrupted, I'm back home now, and I know y'all see that I have on glasses, and I had those on earlier. So my glasses finally came in today, and I've been supposed to wear glasses, and I just, you know, the last prescription I had, I think it was too strong, so I never really adjusted to them. But this prescription, they actually got it right this time, so y'all will probably be seeing me with glasses from here on out. But anyway, I finally got back home, and I know y'all seen that we went to Ulta, and I did get a few things. Yeah, I mainly just went in there to smell perfume, but I did get a couple of things. I'm not used to looking at myself with glasses. I feel just crazy. But anyway, so some of the things I got from Ulta, which wasn't that much, only got two things. So the first thing I got was, this is the brand that I use, and I just got some more niacinamide because I ran out. So that was one thing I got. And then I also got this Angel Nova, which smells so good. I really love fruity scents, so I picked this up. I got it in this size because what I'm gonna do, what I always do, I go into either Ulta or Sephora, smell what I like, and if I just have to get it then and there, I get a small one. But then I'll go back to fragrance.net, and then I'll order the big size on there for like 75%. I don't know, it's a discounted price. So yeah, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna get this side, the bigger size in this, like I think they have a 3.4 ounce. So I'm gonna get this, and then there's another one by Marc Jacobs. Normally I don't like Marc Jacobs, but it's the Marc Jacobs Perfect. And that one smells so good. Normally I don't like this scent because, or I don't like Marc Jacobs because I feel like everybody has that. Or is it Michael Kors? I think Marc, I don't know. But yeah, there's another one I wanted to get. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. But this smells so good. It's just, I don't know, it just smells so good. Is it Mugler or Mugler? I think it's Mugler. But you know that he always has like, his perfumes are shaped like in these weird pointy shapes. But anyway, that's besides the point. So it was probably like 6 o'clock. So if I do anything else, which I probably won't because I like to be at home. If I do anything else and I come back and vlog some more, I tried to vlog a little bit more. I like vlog myself in public, but I'm not used to that yet. I thought it would be a little bit easier because I was with my mom, but no, she didn't make it no better. Hopefully with time, I'll get a little more better, more comfortable vlogging in public because I want my vlogs to be like, you know, like I'm not scared to vlog, but right now I kind of am scared to vlog. But yeah, so over time I will get better and I'll bring y'all some better vlogs. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below, thumbs up this video, and subscribe so you can join the family. And yeah, I'll probably see y'all in the next video. So yeah.